Alright, today we're going to set up Jira on the unRaid server. So if that sounds good, we're going to get started. Alright, so we're in our unRaid server. We're going to go up here to Apps. And then from here, I want you to type in Jira. And then we have different versions up here. I like to install the official. Alright, so we're going to hit the Jira software over here, get some info on it, just standard info. And we'll go ahead and hit the install and then get this started. So the name, I'm just going to change this name. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to name mine Jira. As container port 8080, which is fine. And the app data on where this is going to store. So we have the container path there, so we're going to edit this. And I'm going to put that just in my regular app data. Go ahead and hit save. And then down here, we'll go ahead and hit apply. And then we'll just wait. Alright, so we got it done now. It's installed. So we'll just hit done. Then I can go over here to my dashboard and then hit Web UI. And after I hit the Web UI, as we can tell, Jira is starting up. And Jira is now ready. So we have two different things. Set it up for me, or I'll set it up myself. So let me think about that for a second. Well, I'm just going to be bold, and I'm going to set it up myself. Alright, so I don't have my own database set up right now, so I'm going to do the evaluation for demonstration. Alright, so I'm here. It's the application title, the name of this instance. We can keep it Jira, that's fine. And then we'll just hit next. And I'm going to generate the trial license. Alright, so here we are at the new trial. And then I'm just going to type in. There we go. And then we'll just go ahead and generate a license. And then I got my license key, so I'm going to hit next. Alright, so here we're going to set up our administrator account. Just put in your name. And then we're just going to set up the account and then hit next. And then configure a mail server. We're going to do that later. Hit finish. And then we'll just wait for the final step. Alright, so we're almost done here. I'm going to select English and hit continue. And then if I want to choose an avatar, I can. I'm not going to do it. And then we can just create a new project or see a project in action. And, for demonstration, we're just going to create a sample project. And I like the Kanban board, so I'm just going to hit next. Board, hit submit. And here it is. Here's my test board with my different projects. As you can tell, I can sit there and move this over, and everything seems to be working. And that's how you set up the Kanban board in Jira.